ganda. Always remember ng Precious is always here. And I always pray that lagi kang safe and laging healthy lagi and maging mabait, masipag, matalino at ang pinakahigit sa lahat, maganda.
Happy first birthday, Riley! We love you!
Happy first birthday, Riley!
Enjoy your day!
Rising to the ceiling, singing, ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright.
Happy birthday, Rai. I wish you all the best in life, good health, and of course, what else? Happiness.
We can just forget the deadlines, leave them in the 9 to 5. Let's not waste a night like this. Let's hold on tight. We got stars out.
Happy first birthday, baby Riley. It's me, your Ninang Red.
Again, happy birthday and happy Christine, Riley. Always be strong and God-fearing.
I love you, Riley. Happy first birthday.
So no shoes and this me, oh, I got this feeling, rising to the ceiling, singing, ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright.
Happy birthday, Riley! Alright!
So no shoes and this me tonight. Dance me
Ang full name niya ay Allison Riley. Yung Riley nakuha namin sa first name ko na Rizel, yung RI. And then yung LEY is from Harley. Kaya nabuo yung Riley. And then yung Allison sa daddy yun.
growing restless in the way, searching for a brighter day.
Before talaga siya mabinyagan, every Sunday kami nag-church. Hindi siya pumapalyang mag-church. Talagang tinitrain na namin siya na makilala niya si Lord and aware siya sa kung ano yung ginagawa tuwing Sunday. Siyempre, sobrang happy kasi one of God's follower na siya. And excited kasi gusto ko din makita siyang lumaki na may God-fearing siya.
Para sa akin, sa dami na na-experience naming mag-asawa, na lagi siyang magtiwala, na lagi may plan sa kanya si God. And kung ano man yung pagsubok na pagdaanan niya, nandito kami, nandito si God, nandito yung family namin lahat na susuportahan siya namin.
Happy birthday, Riley. Thank you for thank you dumating ka sa buhay ko. Hindi ko man inaasahan na ganyan ka kabait, kaganda at ka-cute. Thank you for loving me and thank you na nagbibigay ka ng saya sa amin. Happy birthday!
I found you, a world brand new, sky is blue.
Riley, thank you. Thank you na lagi ka sumasalubong sa akin pag umuwi, pag sa bahay. Thank you na mabait ka kay Lola at Lolo. Siyempre sa mami mo, maging mabait ka. Huwag mo na siyang puyatin madalas. Kasi ako rin napupuyat eh, dadamay ako eh. So sobrang thank you and sobrang blessed kami na dumating ka sa amin. Thank you. I love you. Promise naman ni Daddy na lagi ka susuportahan, hindi ka iwanan ni Daddy. Huwag kang magtakot magkakamali kasi dumaan din kami lahat dyan. So dito lang kami lagi. Pamahalin ka namin kahit ano.
I can see a world awake again. Finally I feel
Happy birthday!
sinasabi sa'yo, Mommy is here, Mommy is here. And hanggang sa lumaki ka, Mommy is here.